Hello everyone. In this blog we will discuss how to create menus and module in Odoo 14. For that we created a custom module, student module. We are going to create a main menu school and a sub menu students in this website module. All the views, its actions and menus are defined in XML file. So we need to create an XML file inside view folder. Thus comes the necessity to define the views. First need to create an XML file to include data for the menus and the corresponding actions. I have created an XML student.xml inside the views directory. In order to create a new menu, we need to define a menu item tag. In this first menu item, an ID, name, parent and sequence. ID defines the XML identifier of the menu item in the menu items table. This identifier must be unique. Also should be a mandatory field. As the first menu need to display in website module, its parent will be the menu of the website. For the second menu, it should come under this school. So we have declared it as name students and the parent we given the ID of the above menu. The name defines the menu name that will display in the form. Also it should be a mandatory field. Action is the identifier of the attached action which is defined in the action table ir.action.act window. Here this is the action ID action student. Sequence and integer used to sort the menu item in the menu. This is not mandatory. If sequence is not defined, it takes default sequence number. So when we give the action and action student, it will call this action. So we can run the module. Go to apps, install the module, and we are going to give the menu inside the website module. So go inside the website, we can see a menu is added school, and on clicking that student school we can see a submenu students. We have given an action for the students. So on clicking the students, we can create a new student here. Next, we need to create an action which is defined in the menu item. So for this create, we are giving here it is a name. It will be the action name. Type, action type always ir.action.act window. Rest model, model of the object to post. View model, type of the view. It should be viewed in tree, Kanban, form or like that. Also a p tag is defined for that. It will get displayed if no record in the corresponding model is created. Create a new student. Next, I created the form view and tree view to create a student detail. This is the tree view. The model name school.student, ID is given, then fields are declared. This is the form view. Here also model, form string as student, and the fields are declared. So we have given the tree view and form view. On clicking create, we can see the name gender, nationality, image, all fields are key. We can create we can see the student is saved in tree view. This is the form. So in this way we can create a main menu and under that a sub menu, and for that calling action we can create a form and tree view for that. This is how we can create menus and actions in Odoo 40. Hope you all understood it. Thank you. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementations or customization in your business, drop your request to contact@deerom.com.